Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Cloud Shell in your Cloud console. This starts a lightweight VM, so wait until the prompt appears. Once done, click the Editor button or type the Code Editor command to load the Editor UI. This gives you a full IDE in the browser. Make sure to mount or clone the project into Cloud Shell Home so files are present. Otherwise, you'll be editing an empty workspace. This ensures persistence within Cloud Shell storage and immediate access to your repo. You should now open files from the Explorer pane and edit them with keyboard shortcuts. Save frequently with Ctrl+S to persist changes to Cloud Shell storage. Next, open the integrated terminal to run builds, tests, or start a development server. This keeps your workflow inside one window. Make use of extensions and the settings gear to enable language servers, linters, or formatters, because they provide real-time feedback and consistent code style. Once configured, your edit test cycle becomes fast and reliable. You finish by committing and pushing your changes from the integrated terminal. Check the remote branch to make sure nothing overwrote your work. Then, adjust autosave, theme, and key bindings in preferences so the editor matches your habits. This reduces friction on future sessions. If something goes wrong, first restart the Cloud Shell VM because many issues stem from a stale instance. If that fails, clear the workspace cache or reclone the repo to restore a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.